Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix undefined error in Battlefield 6. It's pretty easy. The first thing you can try is to just go to the search bar and type CMD here. Hit right click on command prompt and select this option run as administrator. Now once the command prompt open, here we're gonna type the first command as ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Now you will see that the DNS resolver cache is now flushed. Now the next command we need to type is netsh space winsock space reset and just hit enter. Now once you do this, you can just close this and relaunch your game to see if the problem is solved or not. If it is not, the last thing you can try is to just go to the search bar and type here view network connection. Open that and hit right click on your internet connection and select properties, and you're gonna see the pop-up like this. So here we need to select this one, internet protocol version 4. Select that and click on properties. Now this one should be set it on use the following DNS server addresses, and the preferred DNS server should be this one 1.1.1.1. if it is not, just change that to this one, and the alternate DNS server should be 1.0.0.1 and just click on OK. Now you're good to go. Just close everything and launch your game again. So yeah guys, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.